Alright, example 2 wants us to calculate the gradient and the y-intercept, this time off the line y equals 2x minus 2. So we've got a table here, so we're going to substitute values in this table and then we can construct our straight line. Okay, so we might remember earlier we usually go from -2, I don't know why I've got a negative there, example 2, and this wants you to calculate the gradient and y-intercept of the line y equals 2x minus 2. Alright, so we've got our table here, and we learned earlier usually we just go from -2 to 0, then to +2. And we substitute each of these numbers into the formula we are given. So we're given the formula y equals 2x minus 2. So for column 1 it would be 2 times -2 minus 2, which comes to -6. And then we've got 2 times -1 minus 2, -4, -2, 0, 2. Alright, I won't go into too much detail about how to calculate these numbers. You can just use your calculator and substitute the x values into this equation. Alright, then we go, alright, when x is -2, y is -6. So when x is -2, y is -6. When x is -1, y is -4. When x is 0, y is -2. We've got 1, 0 and 2, 2. And that's enough to draw our straight line. Here's our shape here. We can make that a bit thicker. In fact, I think I can give it arrows using the tool here. Good. Alright. Now that we've got our line, we're going to calculate the gradient and the y-intercept. We'll start with the gradient. Now, all we need to do is create a right-angled triangle, and it actually doesn't really matter where we put it. We might actually do one a bit smaller and just connect it like so. You can take a small triangle here, or I could have even taken a real big triangle like so. Either way, it will still give you the same result. Now, if we look at the rise, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 is our rise, and our run is 2. And to calculate our gradient, which is m, we're going to go rise over run, which in this case is 4 over 2. 4 divided 2 is 2. And it's a positive gradient because if I draw my running man, he would run uphill. Okay, next we have what's called the Y-intercept. And the symbol we use for the y-intercept is the letter B, or the pronumeral B. And the y-intercept is really simple. It's just where does the line cross the y-axis? And if I do it in red, we can see it's at the point -2. Okay, so B equals -2, which is our y-intercept. If we were to be more specific, we would say that the y-intercept is the point 0, -2. Quite often you don't have to do this, but it is more specific because it's pinpointing exactly where that point is for your y-intercept. The y-intercept is always 0, whatever your b value is.